Shenandoah National Park is beautiful. We definitely should have spent more time here. But we got set up, and we noticed that we got a headlight out.
I'm just gonna drive.
Shenandoah National Park is beautiful. We definitely should have spent more time here. We only spent 2 nights. So we spent yesterday on the road, driving the Skyline Drive. It's just gorgeous. There's so much hiking here. That's what we should have done. But we'll be back. We're going to come back here and concentrate on doing some hiking. But we're going to pack up, get on the road. Well, we made it here to Rondout Valley, Thousand Trails. We've been here several times before. It's a decent little park, but we're only here for 1 night, so we're just gonna connect water and electricity and call it a night. It's a long drive today, but we are heading to our daughter's house tomorrow, and we're very excited to do that. It's only about a 2-hour drive from here, so we're gonna get a good night's sleep and get on the road first thing in the morning. So I broke this handle. It wasn't adjusted right, so it was kind of hanging when you opened the door, and I pulled on it too hard and it broke the handle off. So we'll add that to the list of things to fix when we get back to Florida. Well, when we pulled into Rondout Valley, we opened the step and stepped on it, and we heard a pop and the bolt broke. So we'll have to add that to the list of things to fix when we get back to Florida as well.
Alright, let's go!
Alright, we're ready to go. We're leaving Rondout Valley, Thousand Trails, and we're heading to our daughter's house. We're going to get to see all of our kids because our sons, Kyle and Keith, are flying in from Florida and Washington State. And we are only about 2 3/4 hours away from there, so we're pretty excited to get there.
Oh, I'm so excited.
And
it's going to be a very busy day, though.
Yeah.
We have to get there, we have to drop off the RV, and then we have to get some of the stuff out of the Jeep and go over to the airport and pick up Keith and Rachel.
Yeah.
And then somewhere in there, I have to go to the grocery store and pick up a whole bunch of groceries because I'm going to cook up a storm in Allie's kitchen tomorrow.
Right.
It's going to be so much fun.
Yeah.
And what a beautiful weather we're having.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Miss this New England weather.
Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love the bright sun with all the colors.
Yeah. So let's get on the road.
Let's go.
Well, we made it to my daughter's house in Massachusetts, and we got set up. It is beautiful here. Temperatures are in the mid-70s. It's short sleeve weather here in the end of October in Massachusetts. It's just amazing, beautiful. But we got set up, and noticed that we got a headlight out. So we had to run some errands. I went to Advanced Auto and picked up our replacements. So if I got one out, I'm going to replace both so that they're both the same age. And the other one that still works will be our backup. I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. I haven't ventured into this. I've had other vehicles where changing the headlights was not a simple task. We'll have to see what Mercedes-Benz did for that, and hopefully it'll be an easy task. So this is what I went with, Silver Star Ultra, an H7. Looks exactly like the one I'm replacing, so I'll give it a try. you simply pop this out, but it is keyed. There's a slot here, and there's a tongue here on the side of the lamp, and that just goes in there. The plugs go right inside here, and you just line up that tongue, being very careful not to touch the bulb. You want to put any oil on that or any skin oil on that, because it can shorten the life of the bulb. And that's all there is to putting it into this little holder. And now we just stick it back into the headlamp and twist it into the locking position. It's just a quarter turn. It just slides back into the hole. Until it's seated. Probably can't see it because my hand is in the way. But I just make that quarter turn and it locks into place. Cover back on. Again, it's just to insert it, and not even a quarter turn, it snaps in. And that's all there is to it. Believe me, I've owned vehicles where that was a complete nightmare to do, to replace a headlight. But this Mercedes-Benz, nice job. Easy as pie.
We've been driving around, singers just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long. Let's sing along to every song. Don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in my
Well, 2024 took us on another incredible journey across states, through landscapes, and at the moments we'll never forget. Here's a look back at the miles we traveled and the memories we made. Our 2024 adventures began with service, joining a year to volunteer at Old Fort Harrod State Park in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. From there we headed west, with a short overnight stay in Sioux Falls and pausing at the stunning Dignity of Earth and Sky statue overlooking the Missouri River. Wide open skies at Buffalo Gap National Grassland Nomad View set the stage for some of America's greatest treasures, Yellowstone, Glacier, and North Cascades National Parks.
Visiting our son Kyle and daughter-in-law Jess was the highlight of the trip. It was great to spend time with them, but so hard to leave.
The Pacific Coast pulled us in next, with Highway 101 views, the brilliant blue of Crater Lake, and the towering redwoods. We savored California's wine country, then marveled at Yosemite, Kings Canyon, and Sequoia Giants. Shifting to desert landscapes, we visited Death Valley in August. What a mistake that was. We also explored Las Vegas and stood in awe of Hoover Dam. The Grand Canyon and Sedona's red rocks reminded us just how dramatic the Southwest can be. This is one of our favorite places in the country. On the road heading back east, we traced Route 66, Twin Arrows, Media Crater, standing on the corner in Winslow, Arizona, Petrified Forest, and Cadillac Ranch were some of our favorite stops.
Then came the highlighted bucket list item of Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. Wow. Then we enjoyed the Great Ridges of Shenandoah National Park.
And to top it all off, we achieved our milestone to camp in all of the lower 48 states. And that wraps up our journey for 2024. Thanks for riding along with us, mile after mile, adventure after adventure.
We have several videos and shorts with more photos and details of our 2024 adventure. We'll put the links below.
We hope these statistics are helpful. We can't wait to share what's ahead in 2025. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for the next chapter of Miles Across USA.